Now, I've never put this up before. There's a surprise. Does anybody else have a neighbour whose dog doesn't stop barking? Because we do. So inside this plastic packaging is the webbing. You're going to need to wrap around the tree. Don't really know if I'm doing this right. This tree's got an arc in the back of it, so I'm going to use that as a support to get the height about right. Well, looks like a hammock, doesn't it? If I can make that a bit more taut if I wrap this one round once more. Let's try and get back in it. Whee! Very centralised again. Hello. So this is a hammock I got from Temu. If you've seen my recent Temu haul, you will see that I got it for free. And for free, that's going to open up a whole world of opportunities for just chilling out in various places, and a little bit of hammock camping as well, I think I'm going to try and do. So thank you very much for joining me in setting this free hammock up. And I shall look forward to seeing you in the next one. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye.